What's the difference between Maharishi Patanjali's Yoga Sutras, which are also known as Patanjali Yoga, and Raja Yoga? Namaste everyone, my name is Vasundhara Talwari. Both these are the same. The only difference being that Raja Yoga has found its mentioned in something called the Kurma Purana, and the Patanjali Yoga, as we know, is written by Maharishi Patanjali in around 500 BC. So these are the basic differences. That's it. Both of them are talking about the Eightfold Paths, the Ashtanga, that is the 8 limbs upon which the yoga practice is based on. Otherwise, the practices are the same. One practices the yamas, the niyamas, the asana, the pranayam, the pratyahar, the dharana, dhyan, and finally the samadhi. These are beautifully mentioned in both these books, the Raja Yoga by Swami Vivekananda, and they're also extolled very beautifully in 4 chapters on freedom by Bihar School of Yoga, and it's authored by Swami Satyananda Saraswati. So he specifically mentions that both these forms are the same. However, for easier practice and understanding, they have further divided it into 5 sections. One is the Kundalini Yoga, which is all got to do with your pranayama, advanced level of pranayama practices. The second being the Kriya Yoga, which is the last 3 limbs of your Ashtanga. That is the dharana, dhyan, and samadhi. Stresses a lot on the meditation aspect. And besides these 3, it also stresses on abhyasa, that is your study, your practice, and vairagya, that is your detachment. That is you letting go of all the worldly attachments and steadying yourself in the practice that you practice every single day of your life. So that's the Kriya Yoga. The third one is the Mantra Yoga, which is also a part of the Ashtanga, and Omkar Japa is what is explained in the Yoga Sutras by Maharishi Patanjali. So here the Mantra Yoga is explained as part of the Raja Yoga. Then is the Dhyana Yoga, as is done in Bhagavad Gita. And the 5th one is Patanjali Yoga. As per them, these are the 5 aspects within the Raja Yoga, but they actually are the same. Both these cover the same topics, the same practices, the same thought processes, the same views, and the same paths. So that's about the Yoga Sutras and the Raja Yoga. Hope you've learned something about both these aspects, and if you found this useful, please share it with your loved ones and subscribe to my channel for many more such beautiful content. I will come back to you every Monday with bite-sized information on yoga, the yoga life, Patanjali Yoga, the Ashtanga, the Yoga Sutras, and so on and so forth. So keep watching, stay tuned. I love you very, very much. Mwah!